My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called AnGrYTuRkEy. I'm not sure why exactly the ransomware is called like that. Maybe it has to do with some latest events, horrible events that happened in Turkey. But anyway, this ransomware is the product of online hackers, online criminals who try to hunt for users' money. This ransomware called AnGrYTuRkEy has in mind to encrypt files and to damage them and then to demand ransom for file restoration. Now, my video is only for the educational purposes, of course. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and I also give you instructions on how to avoid this ransomware. So, before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this AnGrYTuRkEy ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So this is what happens whenever people try to open the specific file. They get this message, also titled as Turkey ransomware. Well, it's obviously has nothing to do with Turkey as the country, but Turkey as a bird, as an animal. Anyway, the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery in the amount of $500, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. We recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and after it gets successfully installed, click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner is provided with excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature does not decrypt files though, but it helps to protect your files from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.